Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to the X20 conference and I hope you are enjoying it. I would say good morning, good afternoon, good evening because I know there are users joining from all over the world. Thank you so much for attending this conference and thank you so much for attending our speaker sessions as well actually. My name is Asad Siddiq and I am from a company called Bounceback Technologies. We are based in Dubai in the UAE and we are a leading provider of IT solutions, particularly on virtualization and cloud. I'm your speaker today, and I'm going to speak on a technology which you must be all aware, but maybe you can just listen to it again, or for those who are not, I'm sure you'll find it interesting. What I'm speaking about today is desktop as a service, or the workspace as you call it. Actually, as you all know that today, in this current times of the pandemic, have to be agile, we have to be productive, and we should be able to work from anywhere, any place, any device. Now, we all have our laptops and desktops which are currently in the office, and we basically go to the office every day and use it, and we have all our documents and our applications and everything in the office. However, the times now require us that we should have the same desktop any place, whether I'm at home, whether I'm at the airport, whether I'm traveling, whether I'm on the road, whether I'm in a park. Yes, I have connectivity, I have connectivity to the application, but the most important is the desktop. And you don't want to have different desktops at different places. You don't want to save files at different places. You want to have everything under one umbrella. It is not just you, your organization also wants the same thing, actually. So, the workspace or the virtual desktops is the solution to that. Some people must be knowing it, some people must be using it, and some people will know it now. The virtual desktops, we have been installing it typically on-premise earlier, and it is quite a costly solution to be installed on-premise. So if you have to have a virtual desktop in your office, it will end up in a lot of planning, a lot of designing. You will have to buy a lot of hardware, infrastructure, operating system licenses, storage, and then finally deployment, administration. You will need a good vendor or a partner. You will have to find out at zero down which is the right solution. You have to do some internal data analysis on what is the required thing, and then finally you will be able to start the deployment. Imagine if you have to do it now. Can you afford it first of all? And do you have the time to do all this? And will you have the time to go ahead with this? So, nowadays, all the cloud providers provide the same thing as a desktop as a service solution. You can choose any provider, be it Amazon, be it Azure, be it Google, and they can all give you the same experience. Okay. Now, what does it do actually? It basically allows you to give the desktops to your users in matters of minutes and time, in hours actually. You don't need to wait, you don't need to do any deployment, you don't need to do any designing. It's all there on the cloud. You just have to do provisioning, you just have to create the usernames and the passwords. That's it. And people are straight away online. They can just connect it from anywhere, any place, anytime, and then they'll be accessing the desktop. It doesn't matter from where and how. You will see the same desktop from any other place, wherever you go. Not only that, it also provides very high level of security. You can have a secure data which is completely encrypted. You can have controls where users cannot download anything. You can have controls where user profile is completely locked down actually. So it is completely secure. And most important thing is you don't need to pay anything upfront. In a typical VDI solution on-premise, you have to pay everything upfront as a capital expenditure, and then in case you are not using it or using it, you already paid for it. You can't give it back, you can't refund it, you can't get a refund for the same actually. Whereas in the cloud, you can pay per minute, per hour, per month, per year, whatever you like actually. If you are not using it, just shut it down. You will not be charged for it actually. Or if you don't want to use it at all, just cancel it. Again, you will not be charged for it actually. There are no obligations from any of these cloud vendors actually. So this is a huge savings and huge leap from what you have been traditionally doing and from what you can do now actually. And there are many use cases for such solution actually. The first use case is of course the agility and the time to taken to deploy this actually. Tomorrow a bank wants to shut down the branch and they want to ensure that the users in the branch are accessing the same desktop very securely from anywhere, any place, anytime. And this is the solution. Just provision the desktop to them, put your application, give them internet connectivity, and everything is secured. And they are online the next day. So the branch continues to keep opening continuously without any interruption actually. This is agility. The time taken is too less to deploy these solutions actually. The second, of course, use case is the cost. As I already mentioned, you pay hourly, monthly, yearly, and you cancel and subscription anytime that you want actually. So you don't have anything to worry about your expenditure actually. Even you can shut down the machines in the night time when it is not being used. So instead of being charged 24 hours, you will be charged only 12 hours. You can even automate this. You can also automate these kind of features wherein you don't need to manually shut down the machine. You can just start and stop anytime you want actually. So you can do that. Then you have your development environment and test environment where you are doing some development projects, you are doing some test projects actually. So you don't need to buy machines which you have been doing all this while right now, but you don't need to do it anymore. So you just take the subscription, do your development, do your testing, and when you are finished, you can just stop it, cancel the subscription actually. And if you want the developers to work from home and if you allow them to work from home on their own laptops, then they are storing the source code on their own laptops, which is again a risk for you. But if you give them a desktop from the cloud, they can actually have to put the source code on the cloud and you are completely secure. After the development is over, you have the application ready, you just deploy it on your for yourself, and then you don't need the development machine. Imagine if you had purchased it in your office, what you would have done, how you would have used it. We are always finding ways how to use an old machine. No one wants to take it first of all, and secondly, no one wants to pay for it. So what you end up using this machine as cupboards maybe, or as a stand for your cups actually. I mean, this is actually, I've seen it in many offices. This has been happening, or you are giving it free to the staff actually, but you have paid for it. So it is in the end it is a cost for you. So this is another use case where in a development and test environment you don't need to do that. In schools, students want to use it actually. They want to bring their own devices. It is very difficult for you to manage a device given by the school to the students. You don't know how they will use, what they will do. But if they bring their own device, you can give them the same desktop again, and they can use it in the same manner. Again, very securely, with complete control. Whatever apps you want to deliver it to them, you deliver it to them securely. And there is absolutely no way, they can do anything about it actually. Keep your data secure. This is another advantage of having a desktop as a service solution. So basically, your data is completely secure, it's completely encrypted, and you have complete control on the security actually. And you don't have to worry about firewalls. You don't have to worry about any virus attacks, any other kind of spam attacks. No worries, because everything is hosted and secured in the cloud, and they give you the flexibility and the ability to use the same configuration on the cloud. Okay. And of course, the most important thing is you are centrally managing and scaling your desktop's deployment anytime the way you want it actually. Thousands of desktops you can provision within hours actually. And you can also roll out applications to all these desktops. No need to individually install it, and keep complete inventory, keep complete control, and have complete security actually. So overall, these solutions are something which basically allow you to be more productive and at a very less time to implement actually. One of the other use cases could be like company acquisitions and mergers. When two companies merge and there are other users coming here and this user is going there, you don't want to buy again desktop for this new company users actually. You just give them a desktop on the cloud and they start using it actually. So this is This is the new thing now. I mean, I would say also the most actual usable thing which in this current scenario, there are many things, but I feel the desktop is the most important thing which people want to have. As I said, this is we have become mobile. We are a mobile office. We want to access anything from anywhere, and we all know that in the office, on our table, what we need is basically our desktop and our phone. The phones we are already having as a mobile phone. If I can carry my desktop also and have the same security to use any device, because the desktop is not the actual laptop but the actual desktop which you see, the Windows desktop or the Linux desktop actually. If I can have this desktop from a business center, from an airport lounge, or from my mobile device, or from someone else's device, or if I go to someone's house and I forget my laptop, if I can log in from his laptop to my desktop without worrying that my data will be stored on his laptop, this is kind of flexibility that you get with these desktop as a service solution. So this is what I would recommend everyone to know more about this, and actually evaluate yourself and see how easy it is to use and how cost effective it is, and how flexible it is actually. Thank you so much for your time, and if you need any further information on this particular topic, please feel free to visit our website www.bouncebacktech.com. It is spelled as BOUNCEBACKTECH.com. Thank you once again. Have a great conference. Stay safe, stay home, and enjoy. See you.